Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the exhaust duct in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new exhaust duct. The exhaust duct connects the blower housing to the external vent. The main reason for the exhaust duct to be replaced is if it gets damaged during a repair or when the dryer is retrofitted for the rear vent from the side. Here we are at the back of the dryer, and this is the vent duct that we are going to replace. As I mentioned earlier, it's only replaced in two cases. One, if it gets damaged somehow when you repair it, then you do it from here. It's easy, and we're going to show you how to do it. Or if you do the retrofit from the side exhaust to the rear exhaust, then you have to take apart the dryer and after that replace it from inside. We're going to start the procedure with taking out the 3 screws that holds this access panel. Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so I'm going to lift it up and pull it out. Don't be surprised, the duct will come out easily. This is the old exhaust duct next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. If you look inside, you will see that opening in the blower housing at the front of the dryer. That's where we're going to connect our exhaust duct. This is a new exhaust duct. It goes in with this black insulation tape first, and we are going to install it into the blower wheel housing. All right, so this bracket should be somewhere around this place. Turn it slowly, and if you noticed, I'm using the glove because this is very sharp. All right, now this cover comes in, and I'm going to install it into the cover. And this 2 tabs goes in. And now I'm going to turn slightly the exhaust duct, so we're going to have these holes matched. And now I'm going to secure this with the 3 screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Start with this one. Simple enough. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.